The CRM is the cornerstone of your revenue operation, and in this module, we want to make sure you get the absolute most out of the most important part of your tech stack. In this module, we're going to cover how to design your CRM with your users in mind, streamline your operations, optimize reporting capabilities, and enhance your security and administration of your CRM. In this module, we're not going to cover a specific CRM such as Salesforce or HubSpot. We're going to go over general guidelines that are applicable to any system you might be using. First, I want to highlight the importance the CRM plays in your overall tech stack and why it's so crucial you get every aspect of your CRM aligned with your business process. The CRM sits at the center of your entire go-to-market tech stack and really drives the capability of all the third-party tools that your team will be using. In order to get the most out of your marketing automation system, customer success platform, or partner channel platform, your CRM really has to be designed with those end user processes in mind and also has the responsibility of protecting your data and keeping your company secure. The first thing to keep in mind is that the perfect CRM does not exist. There are going to be a lot of competing priorities that you're trying to get out of your CRM that is really more of a spectrum to manage rather than a perfect formula for any business to follow. The three main things you're going to be looking to optimize for is 1, user experience, 2, reportability, and 3, data security. Depending on the needs of your business, you may index a little bit more towards one of these priorities or a combination of them.